Thanks for staying with us. It's Fun Friday, and the Science Spectrum is here to show us an at-home experience that you can do.
Hello everyone, it's me, Jeff, coming to you from the Science Spectrum Laboratory. Now, our doors are still closed to the public here at the Science Spectrum, but I would like to share with you a little bit of science that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Today we're going to be doing a couple of experiments with light, and here's what you're going to need. I have a jar, a container, a beaker, a bottle. It doesn't really matter as long as it holds water and is see-through. That's going to be very important. I have some milk, which I'm going to add just a little bit of milk to this container later on. I also have a light source. This is going to be very important for a later experiment. But let's start with just this beaker of water and just this perfectly straight mixer. Because thanks to the properties of light, we can change its very appearance. Hey, wait a minute, what's going on in there? Is that water changing the shape of the mixer? Or is the mixer staying the same and something else is changing? Let's try it again with this very large ruler. Straight line, lots of graduation so you can see exactly where it's going to be. I'll simply insert this into the jar and hold on. How am I going to be able to use this to draw a straight line now? Well, easy. It's still straight. Here's the thing. It's just what looks like that's changing. See, light has a few different properties. You may have heard of reflection. If you look in a mirror, you see your, hello there. You see your reflection. But there's another property called refraction. Reflection, light bounces off of something and goes back. Refraction, light goes through something and changes. Water refracts light differently than air, and so that's why it looks different when we stick a stick into the water. But that's not all we can do with some light. I'm going to pour a little bit of milk, excellent source of calcium, vitamin D, and strong bones and teeth and so on. But what I'm going to do is actually add a few drops of milk to this water, and I'm going to shoot light through the water. Right now the light is clear, it's white. But if we add some milk, we can actually change the refraction. Add a little bit, stir it around, and suddenly the color changes. Now it's more blue. If I add a little bit more, it'll be a little bit more blue. And so you at home, try different amounts of milk, try different amounts of light. If you do this experiment correctly, you'll be able to replicate a sunset. Thank you for tuning into the Science Spectrum. And we hope that you'll stay tuned for more stuff. Check our social media and Facebook and all that stuff that I don't understand. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.
So much fun. Thank you. We'll have more of those experiments next week.